हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स मार्वल। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं अबाउट द प्रीमियर लीग गेम बिटवीन साउथहैम्पटन एंड लिवरपूल। फॉर्म की बात किया जाए तो साउथहैम्पटन इन द लास्ट 4 गेम्स हैवंट हैड अ विक्ट्री and they started so brightly. They were amongst the top 4 in the first 12 game weeks, but just a slight dip in form. Also, their talisman Ings being injured for the last 5 to 6 game weeks and coming back and then getting injured again hasn't helped the cause. Nonetheless, still in a safe position at the 9th spot in the Premier League table. And talking of Liverpool, the Premier League leaders, well, the lead could have been 4 points, but they sit as joint leaders at 33 points with Manchester United because of the 2 draws that they had in the last couple of games. One against West Brom at home, very surprising draw, very surprising result for everyone. And the second game against Newcastle, where they had a host of chances but just could finish off the game. They go into this game with some bit of optimism, getting a lot of their players back in form and back from injury, including Thiago and Shaqiri. चलिए टीम की बात करते हैं। सबसे पहले गोल कीपिंग ऑप्शंस फॉर द ड्रीम 11 टीम। सो वी हैव ऑप्शन ऑफ एलिसन बेकर and Fraser Forster because Alex McCarthy is injured. He's not actually injured, he is suffering from coronavirus and that's why he's not be going to feature in this game. Fraser Forster will be my choice because he is going to face a plethora of shots on goal. He's a decent goal stopper. I'm also not going for Alisson because मैंने जो टीम फॉर्मेशन बनाया है वहाँ पर मैं जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पा रहा था पॉइंट सिस्टम में to buy Alisson and also to balance the 4:7 का split between Southampton and Liverpool. I had to make the choice of Forster and I hope he will fetch us points. डिफेंडर्स की बात करते हैं। सो मैं यहाँ पर confused था between Alexander Arnold and Robertson. Wanted to pick both, but I'm going for Robertson simply because this season he has been one of the best left backs in the Premier League and if not the best. 729 points, the highest points, in as far as Southampton and Liverpool defenders combined are concerned. Is very consistent, giving us assists, scoring goals, making clearances, interceptions, etc. He's a clear selection for me in this team. Bednarek from Southampton is the second selection because Vestergaard is injured. Bednarek picks himself in this team. Then my third defender in this team is going to be Fabinho because जिस तरह का उनका फॉर्म रहा है in absence of Virgil van Dijk, he has slotted into the centre back position so seamlessly. Headers जीतने का उनका जो percentage है, it ranges in the almost in the range of 90% of all his headers that he gets into, and he wins the duels so very comfortably. Very comfortable on the ball, gives key passes and might also gives you a few long range efforts. So always good to have Fabinho in this team. मिडफील्ड में मैं 4 प्लेयर्स रखना चाहूँगा। माने एक्स टीम के साथ खेलने वाले हैं, ऑलवेज चार्जेस यू व्हेन यू प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट योर एक्स टीम। वॉर्ड प्राउस, साउथहैम्पटन्स लीडिंग पॉइंट स्कोरर इन ड्रीम 11। और उसके अलावा मेरे जो 2 अदर मिडफील्डर्स मैं सेलेक्ट करने वाला हूँ, वो एक हैं जॉर्डन हेंडरसन, लिवरपूल्स कैप्टन एंड टैलिस्मान, and the second midfielder, in fact not the second but the third midfielder from Liverpool's team is going to be Thiago Alcantara. Surprise selection because he is up for a start today. Wijnaldum और Alcantara के बीच में confused था, but Alcantara जिस तरह के passes thread कर सकते हैं from the midfield, I am sure he is going to play a lot of key passes, और key passes के आपको points मिलते हैं Dream 11 में। असिस्ट कर सकते हैं, क्लियरेंसेस करते हैं, एक तरह से वो पूरा गेम ऑपरेट करते हैं सेंट्रल मिडफील्ड से। अ पीटी वी हैवंट बीन एबल टू सी Thiago's skills in the Premier League so far, but we all know how well he played for Bayern the last season, and we might just see the Thiago of old today. So Thiago here is my 4th midfielder. 3 forwards, Mohamed Salah. I don't want to say anything. Look at the points tally, 1046. I leave it for everyone else to sing songs about Mohamed Salah. Roberto Firmino for me picks himself as a Liverpool's striker. चे एडम्स फ्रॉम साउथहैम्पटन बिकॉज डैनी इंग्स इज इंजर्ड। तो ये 3 फॉरवर्ड्स के बारे में ज़्यादा मुझे बोलने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन की बात करूं यहाँ पर, तो मेरे लिए कैप्टन मोहम्मद साला, अगेन द ईजीएस्ट चॉइस हेयर, बिकॉज गोल असिस्ट करने में यहाँ पर अगर कोई सबसे आगे है लिवरपूल, इनफैक्ट पूरे प्रीमियर लीग में वो इस समय मोहम्मद साला है। और मेरे वाइस कैप्टन सादियो माने, अगेन easy to make this choice. I could have gone for Firmino or Adams, but I just see Mane as a supercharged Super Mane today against Southampton, his ex-team. So this is the team selection, friends. I am going to go for a 3-4-3 selection. Southampton के 4, Liverpool के 7 players. I don't have any credits left. Go for this. Team sheets आने के बाद में we will make edits as required, depending on who starts and who does not. And I think you have a great Dream 11 game. Follow our tips. Keep watching our YouTube channel. Like our videos, share करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल को, और अपने दोस्तों को बोलिए सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. And we would love to hear from you, and we always do. So thank you guys, and all the best for this game.